Hello, welcome to the session, children. Guess the lesson name, children. See the pictures and guess the lesson. What do you see in the pictures? A boy is doing something. He's hunting birds with an object. What is that object? I showed that object in another picture beside him. See this one. What is this? This is a catapult. Now you understood the lesson name. Okay? What is that? This is Unit 7, 4th class, the boy and the catapult. See how that boy is hunting birds with the catapult. Now we'll go into the lesson. See children, what do you see in the picture? There are some children in the picture. What are they doing? They are feeding the birds. A boy with red stripes is giving food to the birds. And another boy with blue shirt, he is freeing up a bird. He is letting out a bird from the cage. And the two girls, one girl is giving water to the birds. Another girl with yellow and green dress, she is showing her love towards the birds. And what is written on the signboard, children? Do you see any signboard in the picture? I'll give you some clue. The signboard is in yellow color and it is hung to the tree. It is beside the boy who is wearing blue shirt. Yes, now you saw that signboard. See. What is written on this? What is written on this? Don't hurt birds. Don't hurt birds. That means do not harm birds. Pakshulanu himsincharadu. Why should we not hurt any birds and animals, children? Why should be like that? Because they are also living with us on this earth. They are also created by God like us. So they are also having equal rights on this earth as we are having. And moreover, they are weaker than us. That's why we have to show love and kindness towards the birds and animals. Am I correct, children? From now onwards, you also don't hurt any birds and animals. I know you are pretty good children. You won't hurt anybody. And this lesson, the boy and the catapult. Now I will read the lesson and you observe how I am pronouncing the words. Afterwards, you also read
The Boy and the Catapult. The oddest fellow in my class was Bodhraj. He always had a catapult. In Hind he was an excellent shooter. He would stand under a tree, take, and shoot a pebble from the catapult. The next moment a bird would. Lived with my parents in an old bungalow on the outskirts of The. Being far from the city, my friends rarely came to visit me. But both Raj found it a good place to hunt. Behind the house, there was a godown. This room had become a regular place of visit for birds. We hear their cooing all day. The next time both Raj came, he went straight to the godown. As he had his catapult with him, he noticed that near the ventilates Google Lens 3:30 a.m. 4x